we just take off each cable, negative and positive. So usually they come out easy. Alright, so we got this one out of there. It's disconnected. And this one. Alright. You usually don't have to do both of them, but in this case we will. So just to show everybody. So, as long as you got one disconnected. Alright. That's good. Now we just put your seat back on and then add a little bit of polyethanol guard. Good for up to 5 gallons. So just put that in and it's good for 12 months. Sitting at up at our warehouse. So but, and that's about it right there. Put that back on there. And good to go.
What else would be done to winterize a bike? Anything for the tires?
Basically you just check them beforehand and then you bring them up to the warehouse. They're probably going to lose air because over time, it is a heated environment, but they do lose air pressure, but we check them when they come back down for, spring. So.
And you wake them up in the spring too, right?
Yep.
So what's that mean when you wake it up in the spring?
Just putting the battery back together, checking if it needs more fuel, we usually add it. So just give them a little bit to get going and check tire pressure and make sure all the lights work.
Thank you.